Hello students, welcome to Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss the word problems from page number 48. Okay, so you have to write the word problems in your copy, not in your textbook. Alright, so we are going to write the statements as well. I have chosen all two sums for today. Today we will be doing only two sums, that is the first two sums. Okay, so this is the first question. Okay, this is the first question and this is the second question. This is the second question. All right, so we will be doing these two questions today. Okay, so let us start here. See, I have already written the statements and all before solving the sums, so that it will be convenient for us. Okay, and these statements are very important for you. Okay, so you should, by now you should learn how to solve the word problems by writing these statements. Okay, directly if you do the plus or if you do the minus, you are not going to get the marks. All right, till class 1 it is okay, but now you have to write the statements. Now this is the question. The first question is, Ritu bought 75 pastries for the party, out of which 56 pastries were consumed by the guests. How many pastries are left? Okay, so this is a very simple question. Ritu was having a party in her house, so she brought 75 pastries. How many pastries she bought? 70 pastries. So out of which 56 pastries were consumed by the guests. Consume means the guests have eaten up. Okay, eaten. Consume means eating. Okay, so 56 pastries were already eaten by the guests. Then how many are left? So what you will do, children, to find out how many are left? Whether you will do plus or you will do minus. Give me the answer. How many are left? This much total, this much eaten, isn't it? And how many are left? So in previously also I told you, when you eat something, the amount of thing or the amount of items in your with you becomes less, isn't it? So when it becomes less, you have to do minus, isn't it? So let us write now. Okay, okay, Ritu bought how many total pastries bought for the party? How many pastries were bought? 75. So first let us write here 75. Okay, you have to write all these statements. Okay, from here to here, you have to write the question as well as everything in your copy. Okay, now number of pastries consumed by the guest. How many pastries were consumed by the guest? Yes, 56 pastries were consumed by the guest, isn't it? Now number of pastries left. So how many pastries are left? You can do it like this also. Okay, you can make a line here and do, otherwise you write like this and do the subtraction. If I do the subtraction here, you will also do here, and some of you will not be able to do in the correct place, so I will not do here. Okay, so 56. So I am making a line here, I am writing it here again so as to do the minus. Okay, so rearranging is needed here. 15 minus 6 will be how much? This will become 6, 7 will become 6, and this will become 15, isn't it? So 15 minus 6 will be, yes, it is 9. Then here it is 6, 6 minus 5 will be 1. So number of pastries left will be how many, children? It will be 19. So 19 pastries are left. Okay, total pastries bought by Ritu is 72. Okay, 75. number of pastries consumed by the guest is 56 and number of pastries left is 19. Alright? Okay. Now let us do the next question. So if I keep it like this, I know you are also going to do this part. So only this much is required. What you have done here, you have done subtraction. So this one also you can show it in the side somewhere, okay, that you have done the subtraction and got this answer. Alright? Okay. Now let us do the next question. Okay, the next question is this one from the textbook itself. Okay, there are 54 apple and apricot trees in an orchard. Okay, out of these 25 are apple trees. Find the number of apricot trees in the orchard. Alright, this is the question, and from here your answer begins. Okay, this from here your answer begins. So 54 apple and apricot trees means total, okay, including apple and apricot. Alright, apricot, you know what is apricot? It is a fruit, okay, it's a kind of fruit, apricot, okay, fruit tree. Like apple, it is also a fruit. Now 54 trees, that is, what trees are they? Apple tree or apricot tree? Both the trees together. Okay, there are 54 apple and apricot trees in an orchard. Orchard means in a garden. Okay, in a garden where the trees are planted is called orchard. Okay, now out of these 54, out of this means this 54. Okay, 25 are apple trees. That means how many apple trees are there in the orchard? 25. Okay. Now find the number of apricot trees in the orchard. So you have to find out the number of apricot trees. So how you will find out? You will do plus or minus. Total is given. Out of that, this many is apple. Okay. Then the remaining will be apricot, isn't it? So remaining, when you have to find out, what you will do? You will do, yes, you will do subtraction. Okay, so now let us first write down total number of apple and apricot trees. How many were there? 54, right? Okay, number of apple trees were how many? 25. Okay, children. The number of apricot trees you have to find out. So how we are going to find out? We will subtract 54 minus 25. The same method we are going to apply here also. 4 is smaller than 5. So we will borrow and it will become 14, and this 5 will become 4. Okay. So here 14 minus 5 will be how much? It will be 9. Okay. And here 4 minus 2 will be 2. So how many number of apricot trees are there? What is the answer we got? We got 29 as the difference, as the answer after subtracting. Isn't it? So 29 number of apricot trees are left in the orchard. Okay. So total is 54. Total means including both apple and apricot. This is only apple trees and this is only apricot trees. And if you want to make sure whether your answer is correct or not, you have to add 25 and 29, and if you get 54 as the correct as the total sum, then your answer is correct. Let us see. Okay, 9 plus 5 will be how much? 14. 4. Okay, 1 carry. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1 carry will become 5, 54. Okay, so our answer is correct. Alright, children. So here I stop here for today. Okay, only 2 questions we have done, and the other 2 questions we will be doing tomorrow. Okay, till then, have a good day. Thank you so much.